There's a part of Saigon where the morning starts with incense, markets, and traditions that haven't changed in generations. Hey peeps, welcome back to Time to Go Places. This morning we're in Cholon, Saigon's Chinatown. We're wandering through markets and stepping inside some of the city's most beautiful temples. It's a quieter, more cultural look at the city. Binh Tay Market is the main wholesale market for Cholon. Most of what you see here is sold in bulk to smaller shops and street vendors across the city. It's a good place to understand how the local supply chain works. It's busy, practical, and very different from some of the tourist-focused markets in the city centre. Inside, you'll find everything from dried mushrooms, tea leaves, to household goods, clothing, and daily essentials. It's a practical, everyday market that supports the wider community. A few minutes from Binh Tay is Cho Phung Hung. This is a neighbourhood morning market, and it's made up of narrow lanes packed with fruit stalls, seafood vendors, cooked dishes, and everyday groceries. It's lively and close-knit, with locals chatting, bargaining, and picking up ingredients for the day. Markets like this one established around the old Chinese guild halls and temples, so it's a good way to understand how the community here developed. Just around the corner is Quan Am Pagoda. This temple has long been connected to the markets and the community around it. Quan Am is one of the main pagodas in Cholon and is dedicated to the goddess of mercy. Stepping inside, you get a sense of how important these spaces still are to the community. Incense drifts through the air, and locals stop in to pray as they go about their day. Chua Van Phat is also known as the Temple of 10,000 Buddhas. Out the front, you'll find a fortune-telling machine. You make an offering, turn the handle, and receive a short, written fortune. Ricky's fortune wasn't especially encouraging, but it did say he'd find a good wife, so that part worked out. The Temple of 10,000 Buddhas is one of the most distinctive temples in Cholon. There are several floors to this temple, and each floor has its own layout. The walls are lined with thousands of small golden Buddha statues, creating a space that feels intricate and almost overwhelming in its detail. It reflects the Buddhist tradition of merit making, where each figure represents an offering or an act of devotion. Seeing these temples back to back gives you a clearer sense of Cholon's Chinese-Vietnamese heritage. The markets and the temples sit side by side here, each shaping daily life in their own way. If you enjoyed this cultural side of Saigon, please give us a like and a subscribe to help our channel grow. And don't forget to join us next time, because it's time to go places.